The answer to the question, who are we, goes beyond the simple answer of just some high school. We venture beyond our familiar halls into our streets and extend our hands to the community in need.
From cleaning local lakes to raising money for national bone marrow research, we press on. Beyond daily assignments and routines, we provide for our people, working together to strengthen our neighborhoods and uplift our residents. So, to answer the question, who are we?
We're the future. Through wind and rain, our determination remains steady and unshaken. Our impact stretches far beyond Pittsboro, reaching across cities and towns.
Simply put, we're not just a school.
We are
Seaforth.